Spotahome, Barcelona. Today we're in Carrer de San Andreu, in the neighborhood of San Andreu, in the northern area of Barcelona. We are like at around 30 minutes in transportation from the city center. Very well connected here. You have L1, 9 and 10 of the metro, right at 5 minutes walking from here or less. And also the train station, San Andreu train station as well. And well, this is a residential area where you have everything you would need around, all the shops, bars and services. And well, let me show you this flat with 1 bedroom for rent. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so we're in a 6th floor with elevator. And let's check this out. Well, main entrance here. We have living room and balcony over there, bedrooms over there, and kitchen over here. Let's start with kitchen. Okay, we have freezer and fridge here, the gas stoves over there, and the sinks over here. Okay, so little table here. You have all the stuff here. The landlords lives here, so you have everything you would need. 2 sinks, all the tools and stuff. Okay, and well, of course, storage space, those shelvings. You have microwave, toaster, all your stuffs, and storage space over here for gas stoves, oven, and washing machine over here. Okay, a very nice little view from here. There's other views from the other sides. Let's check the living room. Okay, so this is the living room. The landlord just moved here, so there are gonna be changes. He's gonna like paint and refresh the whole flat, but right now it's has, you can see, complete with everything you would need. And balcony area over here. Okay, so plenty of light and very well ventilated as well. Today we have super wind, as you can check, so I keep this close. Okay, well, moving on, we have bedroom number 1, 2 and 3. The 3 is the one available right now, and this is the bathroom. Okay, so what do we have here? Toilet, sink, mirror, and the shower over here. Okay, stuff there, and finally the bedroom. Okay, in which we have this wardrobe here with hangers and shelvings, little desk with lamp and chair, the single bed with heater and some hangers here, and this chest of drawers here. Okay, some more shelvings, the fan, and the view to the same area we saw before from the balcony. And that was it guys, hope you've enjoyed this flat in San Andreu. See you in spotahome.com. Bye.